Here's my new Portal Outdoors all-terrain wagon. This is the way it came out of the box. Take off the plates, which actually encompass the wagon itself. Put them to the side for now. Open it up. Press down the middle. Put the plates in. And the handle can be extended. Tighten it down, release it, and you're ready to go. Just want to note too, the tires have rubber inserts which make them incredibly smooth on hard surfaces and all multi-surfaces, all terrain. You can take it in on the sand, through the grass, wherever you want to go with it. Just want to note too, the double X construction makes it incredibly sturdy and will hold up to 225 pounds, which is pretty incredible. This is going to be used by us when we go to outdoor concerts and to the beach.
Now it's folded. It's folded. Look at the wheels. It's like a monster truck wheels. This is soft sand. One month.